everyone, this is Tanya Zueva
and Boris Mednikov with Vanguard Real Estate.
And today we would like to show you our newest listing located at 58 Birdsong Road in Dufresne.
This beautiful country property located just 2 minutes away from Lorette and less than 15 minutes from Winnipeg. Let's step inside and take a look.
Welcome to this modern bright family home that features large kitchen with built-in appliances, open concept living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, double attached garage, and so much more.
Check out this beautiful lower level that comes with 2 bright bedrooms, a large rec room with a wood stove, a full bathroom and tons of storage space. This gorgeous property sits on almost 2 acres of land and comes with this huge shop that has a car lift and tons of place to work on any of your projects.
This acreage is a dream for anyone who loves gardening. It comes with 2 large greenhouses, fruit trees and shrubs, and tons of space to grow your vegetables. Country property with so much to offer and that close to the city doesn't come around very often.
For any additional information or to book your private showing, you can contact us at the information below. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media at Boris Mednikov
and Tanya Zueva on Facebook and Instagram.
See you soon!